Like there is no tomorrow. So what happened to me? I grew to almost 300 pounds. 275, excess. Ang sugar, ang normal hanggang 110 lang, pagturok ko sa daliri ko, 350. Tama ba yun? Ang BP, ang normal sa aking edad, mga 120, mataas sa 130, pag-click ko ganyan, hindi pa ako nag-pink doon, pag-click, 200 over 110. Mami, sa trabaho ko bilang wanna change, away ako, pag ang sugar mo 350, ang BP mo 200 over 120, ang sunod na eksena, comatose. Hindi ba? So I said, my gosh, you know, related pala yung aking ginagawang political sa aking personal. So then maybe what is personal is actually political? Tama? Tama! Amen! Amen, brother. Praise the Lord. Because actually the journey that I have gone through as Wanna Change is one where parang Mongol pencil na tinatasahan. You know, when I started all of this, I really just wanted to do something for country because I felt, as a Filipino, and I have been okay, I felt that I should also give back because binigyan naman ako ni Lord ng talent. Di ba, ginawa akong actress.
Yeah.
Di ba, ginawa pa akong director. I mean, that's talent. And I said, how do I give back to country? Puro na lang ba ako kabig ng kabig? Kasi pagka artista ka tsaka director ka, malaki ang kita mo niyan. Even when I was an assistant director, I was earning 30,000 pesos a day in the 80s. Hindi na masama, di ba? Hindi ka naman mura, 30,000 a day. You know, but after a while, my life in advertising was such that I just kept on selling lies, di ba? Because in advertising, what did I tell people? Ang maganda, mabuti. Ang maganda, mapayat. Di ba? Ang maganda, matangkad. Yan ang sabi ko, at saka may long, straight, black hair. Kamusta naman ang lola niyo, maitim, pango, di ba? Medyo bansot, at saka hindi naman ako long, straight, black hair, may pagkakulot-kulot. Because I am Filipino. Basta ba maging Filipino? I'm Filipino, I'm naturally brown. But I saw products that told people to be beautiful was to be anti-Filipino. So I got so sick and tired of it. I said, ayoko na ito. There was something inside of me to say, May, you can actually do more than just that. And so, lumanding sa aking lap si Who Wanna Change. Aba, bongga, nakakita ako ng bago kong voice. Maganda, di ba? Wanna Change. But there are two sides to the Wanna Change. Those who wanna change and those who wanna change. So every time na lang tayo, mayroong palaging conflict. Wanna change ba ako today o wanna change? Di ba? Every time, di ba? May party, may lechon. Pag wanna change ka, waka touch. Eh, lechon, waka touch ng lechon. Or man, pag may lechon, touch, what touch? Touch na touch. That's the normal thing, do touch. But when you're changing, you actually should not touch the pork. Kasi nga, 210 na ang mga BP eh, 350 na ang sugar. Diba? So to say no to something you truly love is to get outside of a comfort zone. Hindi ba? When you do vlog, you're actually challenged to get out of a comfort zone. Because you're really putting out a message. Diba? And when you put out a message, actually, that message ideally is something that actually challenges even yourself. Kasi, pag kayo nag-put out ng message to make yourself happy, para ka lang Hallmark greeting card. You do it for the purpose of being happy. Ang tawag niya sa sex, masturbation. Ikaw lang ang masaya. Hindi ba? You know, when you masturbate, you do it for your personal gratification. But you know, if you want to change advocacy, it is not just for my personal gratification. Because actually, being a wanna change, I put my life at risk. Di ba? Itsura gumawa ko ng video ni Ampatuan, takot ako noon. Sabi pa naman ng writer, ano may gawa tayo ng video? Ano? Ampatuan? Over ka naman. Remember, mga judges ay mag-judge Ampatuan. Wala kang witness, tatago ang mga witness. Kasi kill. Kill Bill. Pagka ako nag-witness, di ba? Tapos ako ay maggagawa ng video. Video talaga. Di wag, sabi ng writer. Eh kasi ikaw naman nakaharap. Ako naman writer, kuha ako C. Ikaw talagang front. So think ako, siguro sulatin mo nga muna. Naku, nagsulat, ang ganda-ganda lang sinulat. And so, we actually did a Wanna Change video. So it's out. Who's seen the Wanna Change video? Ang papangit nyo. And you're supposed to be vloggers. Tsaka. Anyways, if you see the Wanna Change video, it's really scary because I'm supposed to be Paris Hilton, the daughter of the Ampatuan Senior. And there I interviewed journalists to go to my home. And in my home are skeletons in the closet, tao. And then ang aking fertilizer, syempre, organic, tao din. See, and then I visual footages of the massacre. And when I uploaded that, people were scared for my life. May, are you crazy? Kaya di ba sabi na, think before you click? Ako naman, pag nag-think ako, hindi ako makakapag-click. I mean, who in his right mind would say, do I wanna change video and upload it? If I thought really hard, I would not do it. So iba namang perspective yun, di ba? Don't think too much. Think before you click. But if you wanna change, and you want change, you actually want to be kind of fearless. Kasi it comes with advocacy being fearless. Because if I thought too much, I will really not move, and I will stay within the comfort zone, and okay na yan. Director naman ako, okay naman makita, di ba? Huwag na mamuliti ka. Ipagawa na yan sa iba. But actually, ang feeling ko, lahat tayo, all of you included, we have a purpose. Ang drama ko, mamamatay rin kayo. Mamamatay rin ako. So how do I want to be remembered if I die? Actually, ang wish ko pala, if I die, meron akong naisip na nakasulat sa aking epitaph. Alam mo kung ano, dahil? Creative patriot. Di ba maganda? Kasi patriot, pero creative, ha? Hindi tsaka-tsaka lang na patriot, di ba? Because remember, I am an artist, right? I'm an actress, I'm a television commercial director, and I work with the arts. And if I'm able to use my art to transform society, bongga. Diba? If I use my art for social transformation, bongga. And so I guess I'm also telling all of you, so that when you put your voice out there, because you do have voices, samahan niyo naman ang konting meaning. Diba? Because a lot of you will want to earn money off vlogging. There's nothing wrong with money. I love money. Diba? Makakabayan ko ng mga Victoria's Secret, mga pants dyan, mga bra. Money ang katapat niyan, dahil. With money naman, samahan mo din ng konting tulong sa bayan, diba? If you wanna sell a restaurant, and tell them to go to that restaurant, mag-research naman kayo. Make sure the owner is not corrupt, pays taxes. I mean, diba, hindi yung trabahong tamad. Kasi sometimes some bloggers are tamad. Yung they just want to meet deadlines, diba, deadman na. But I think the challenge is to actually make sure that our voice is something that actually is bigger than just us. Kasi if it's just about us, madali naman yun eh. But when you actually, with your vlogging, try to affect others and the lives of our town, of our family, our country, then it becomes a bit more meaningful. Okay ba sa yung may meaning o dead man na? Siyempre naman may meaning, di ba? Kung wala kang meaning, dahil ano ba? Pakapatay ka na mamaya. But anyways, makwento ko lang sa ilang stories about me being Juana. You know, when I did one, I never thought it for my life na ako ay magiging si Kachuboy. Hindi ba? Sometimes I go to a place, you know, I'm walking sa mall, ganyan, and I can't stop. And then sabi niya po siya, aren't you want to change? Natatakot ako kasi baka may ako nga po, my God! You are doing so much for country, Iha! My God, you are so magaling, Iha! You keep on doing what you're doing, ha? I am praying for you. Say ng matrona, hindi ba? Ako naman, hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako, matatakot kasi parang mamamatay na ako doon sa sabi niya. Imagine that. That is because I dare to be Juana Change. You know, I go to a school, and then students tell me, Ma'am, alam mo ma'am, ang thesis ko tungkol sa inyo, kulturang popular. Imagine ang thesis nila, Juana Change. Dito na-meet ko si Papa Jack. What did Jack tell me? Jack, sabi mo kung ano sinabi mo sa akin kanina. Tungkol sa anak mo.
My second son is writing a piece, a research paper on Wanna Change.
Oh. Research paper, pang matalino yun, research. And I didn't know that. You know, I was in Bicol. school. Kasi ako din ako ng talk show ngayon, ni Oprah Winfrey. Talk ako ng talk. I get invited to schools, communities. And then I was actually in Naga. And then there were like one day, there was no class but alternative classroom program. Nagtataka ako, ang dami umatay ng Wanna Change. Ang title nila, Ako, Politika at si Wanna Change. There were so many courses offered, 50, but I thought ang daming participants sa klase ko. Yun pala, they really wanted to learn about politics and they wanted to learn in a fun way. And so they wanted to attend the Wanna Change class. And I was so thrilled. And when I asked him, ikaw ba, Day? Ano nakikita mo kay Wanna Change? Ano ba niya gustong dalhin? Ma'am, alam ma'am, kung ako lang ma'am, si Wanna Change, ma'am, dapat nasa curriculum ng eskwelahan yan, ma'am. Kasi ma'am, yung teacher namin, ma'am, si Elaine ng Baguette, dapat daw nasa curriculum ang mga video ni Wanna. Kasi ma'am, yung teacher ko, ma'am, nakakaantok. Pag ako nanonood ng kinagawa din yung politiko, the way you do it so creatively, ma'am, naiintindihan ma'am yung RH. So naiintindihan nila because in a video where they're made to understand what RH is all about, mas madali intindihin. So ako nagugulat. Yung isa naman, ikaw, kung ikaw si Wanna, anong tingin mo dapat siyang pumunta? Ma'am, sa totoo lang, ma'am, ang mga palabas sa TV, puro mga basura. Ma'am, kung merong Wanna Change sa TV, ma'am, gusto ko, ma'am. Hindi ba? That's what they want. Wanna Change on television, Wanna Change the curriculum, and all of this, parang kahit ako napapagod, tsura masaya na ako because you really see it in the people, you know? Because I vlog and then I go around. So what am I also saying? Hindi pwedeng vlog lang ng vlog. Kasi magiging maputla kayo. Di ba nakakaputla lang sa computer? Puro sa mga... Hindi ba nakakaputla yan? At saka you're not in touch with reality sometimes. Because you know, you're there, you think, and then you think you know what you're thinking about. But actually, you never immerse yourself enough with the subject areas you wish to write or blog about. So kailangan medyo buo naman. You know, you blog and then you go out. You enrich yourself. Kasi you cannot naman engage in lawak utak activities. Hindi ba? Tama ka dyan, ha? Tama. Pero hindi ba? Kasi a lot of people become slacktivists. Yung ang feed nila, pag nagagay sa Facebook ng say no to hunger, like. Okay na yun. We have said no to hunger. But have you ever had dinner with a family na walang makain? No, hindi ba? But if you want to blog about hunger and you want to understand that, what is it to say, for example, go out and have dinner with a family who has not eaten? Then maybe when you write, then maybe it's a richer experience, see? Because sometimes bloggers are full of themselves. Aminin. Yung tumasang kilay, sabi mo, lasa mo. Yes. Kasi sometimes, you want it to get into your head. And that's scary. You know, when things get into your head, nakakatakot yan. That is why criticism is also important. You need to open yourself to be criticized because otherwise, hindi mo alam, lumulutang ka dun sa ere. You always have to ground yourself in reality. Because there are ideal things that we want for this world, di ba? No to hunger, no to war. But these words get lost if they are not grounded. You know, when you say no to hunger, make sure you have an activity that actually tries to end hunger around your community. That's why I love being in sessions like this. Kasi we all get together. What is it kung, for example, kayo magkaroon kayo ng project? Maybe there can be clusters in this group where you meet every so often and you have an activity that's so grounded. Ang dami-dami ng opportunity na binibigay sa atin, di ba? What if, for example, you have an activity that wants a blogger's park? You know, where in Jensen, there's a place where bloggers meet, and then you get to meet people, and then you make an activity for the people. Because actually, in the Wanna Change activity, we really are wanting to understand people and the power of people. Because people have power. In fact, bloggers know that power. But that power can also, ang tawag sa ano, pwede kanyang ipariwara. Kasi power can do, there's always duality, di ba? Power can make you good. Power can also corrupt you. But if you ground yourself in things that are real, when you are with people, then you're actually able to connect. to connect to other people, hindi lang ikaw. And I think that's what I challenge myself to do as I put videos out. You know, we also try to go to the people because otherwise, hindi nagiging buo yung experience. And in fact, a lot of our work is really inspired by stories from real people. In fact, our next video this Christmas, kasi usually pag Christmas, mababa ang hits pag nega. I've done 2 Christmas videos where things were really low because I was so negative. And so this Christmas, we thought, let's do a positive video because Wanna Change naman is not always about criticizing. I mean, she will also see something good in people and will want that out. So for Christmas, actually, it will be the stories of about 8 to 10 children and it will be a Christmas video where they will have dinner with Wanna Change, with those exchange gifts. And we're going to try to capture their stories kasi yung casting. We chose one who's Papa, pakipalitan mo nga ito, nakakaloka. Hello, ayan. We chose one kid who's the daughter of a striking PAL employee. So what is Christmas? If your father has no job. You know, we chose one who's an out-of-school youth. So, di ba, Christmas, one na walang hindi nag-aaral. One is gay. Ako, he's so funny, Dariela. Kasi meron siyang talent fee. Yung talent fee mo, kakaunti lang naman. Ang gagawin mo pagka nakuha mo yung talent fee mo? Ay, naku ma'am, bibili ako ng tube. You should meet him. You know, he's so cute. Kasi daw lagi siyang inaapi because bakla siya. Kami kahit naman ako bakla, meron akong silbi sa mundo ito, hindi katulad niya, bobo. Boy, he's so cute. You know, and then one is a very rich girl. I mean, she plays the violin, she dances the ballet, and straight A's in class. And she's one rich kid, palibasa ang mommy niya is an RH advocate and he's really exposed. I mean, her Christmas wish, and she understands it, is that the RH bill be passed. So I mean, these are wisdom from the kids and we want this out for our Christmas video. And all of these experiences actually enrich my whole experience. And it's been difficult, but it's also been fun. You know, I did a Wanna Change video about the Porsche, what happened. Di ba, pinatawag ko sa Malacanang. I mean, you know, things like that, pero di ba bragging right mo yun? Napatawag ka na ba sa Malacanang? Dahil tinira mo si President? Di ba? I mean, that has happened to me. And then, you know, one time I went to the school of Erda. These are street kids na nag-aaral. I gave them a talk about my life story, kung paano growing up, I thought of myself as super ugly, super fat, maitim, lahat-lahat na. And then, after the talk, they were supposed to give their comments. You know, one kid came up to me and then iyak siya, hindi ko naman alam kung gagawin ko kasi walang bigla na lang, no? Kasi automatic, cry ang bata. Sabi ko, yes, ano gusto mong sabihin? Ang pangalan niya, Jessica. Ang sabi ni Jessica, alam po ninyo, sa eskwelahan po nito, lagi po akong binubuli. Oh? Tsaka po, dahil po sa kakabuli nila sa akin, naging bully na din po ako. Gusto ko na pong magbago, paano ba? Diyos ko, ano pa sabi, guidance counselor ako? Malay ko ba, hindi ba? Ba't yun ang sabi ng bata? Siyempre, kailangan smart ako bigla. Ano sabi ko sa matang to? Ha? Binubuli ka? Ako na nasabi, sino nga bubuli kay Jessica? Dahil tumayo yung bata. 2 batang lalaki stood up and said, ako po. Tumayo ulit yung isa, ako po. Ah, kayo ha? Halika kayong dalawa dito. Loko, lumapit yung dalawa. Ano anong sabi? Ano sabihin nyo? Sorry, Jessica. Sorry. Right that moment, healing. Di ba healing? Kasi sorry daw, sorry. Nagsasorry na. Si Jessica naman, gano'n na gano'n, iyak na iyak. Sabi ko, ano lang yung gagawin ko? Hindi naman ako nag-practice para sa ma-exam ng gano'n, di ba? Nag-prom ko yun, live, andyan ang camera, take na. Sabi ko, sige, group hug.